Hello guys, good morning. So from the market, from the market to my kitchen, na. So pumunta kami sa Mahogany Market sa Tagaytay. So namili kami and then meron na ring mga orders, so I take the opportunity to take the orders. So parang hitting two birds in one stone, buying our consumption and also taking orders. So isa ito sa mga piniprepare ko noong New Year. Nag-try ako ng grilled beef steak. So yung una, may mga procedure, nilagyan natin ng salt, iodized salt. Medyo matrabaho ito kasi i-massage pa natin yung beef. I-massage pa natin sa salt para maghalo siya. And then is sprinkled with pepper. Salt and pepper to taste. And then after that, I add on some dried rosemary leaves. So ganun ang process niya. So ito is very fresh. Hindi na ito dumaan sa refrigerator, so direct na from the market, literal from the market to our kitchen. Okay, so ito lang ang isa sa mga inad kong recipe noong New Year. And then ito naman yung this one, I guess this one is still pepper. And then as I said, I add on some rosemary leaves. Okay, so this is the rosemary leaves now. Dried rosemary leaves to add on the flavor and yung smell. Diba yung kanyang smell noong while grilling. Okay, so ito na nga, abangan na lang natin. We are preparing for the grilling pan.
Dikit kayo natin ito doon. family to yours. So, meron kaming steak, beef steak. Meron ng galumay, nasa ref. Ayan, thank you so much. Happy New Year sa aking mga subscribers, sa aking mga channel members. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat, sa inyong suporta. Hoping that we will be having a prosperous New Year ahead. Welcome 2023. Happy New Year, guys!